I am back with another video. So on today's video, I just wanted to update you guys on my progress with my Smile Direct Club aligners. And I also wanted to let you guys know about this new beauty journey that I'll be embarking on soon. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. First, I want to say thank you guys so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far. I do really appreciate it very, very much that you even took the time to hit that subscribe button and watch my video. So again, thank you. I do have some notes written down, so if you see me looking down, it's because I have to write out what it is that I need to say, because sometimes I can get on here and I can just ramble and there's no, organization. I'm kind of just all over the place, and I'm sure that y'all have lots of things to do, so I just want to get straight to the point, okay? Don't y'all love when people just get straight to the point? So yeah. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about, okay, right now I'm on month 3, week 2. I am a week behind, and that is because I wore one of my aligners for 2 weeks instead of 1, so it threw me back. It threw me a week behind. And that's because, I just totally forgot. Sometimes life just gets the best of us, and I just kept wearing the same aligner. I was like, oh, I forgot to switch it out. Now, I will say that with some of the aligners, you would wear them for 2 weeks, and some aligners you would wear for 1 week. And I think that's where I got behind at, because one of the aligners, I was wearing them for 2 weeks, and I switched it to my 1 week, and then I thought that I don't know. I thought that one was 2 weeks too. I don't, So, but I can say that Smile Direct Club is awesome because they will send you a reminder. I've some kind of way, I overlooked a reminder, but they will send you text message reminders, and I believe as well as email reminders too. And you can just go on your website, log in on their website, Smile Direct Club website, and log in. And they'll put you right back on, they'll put you right on track. And so they'll give you a new ETA, estimated time of when your smile will be ready. So now, instead of, I forgot what day it was in August, it got moved to another date. So yeah. Okay, my gap is almost closed. Barely see the gap, like it's this small, as y'all can see. Like it's closing. So I am so grateful, so happy, so excited. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like in August, because I know it's gonna be like totally closed. My teeth are shifting. Like, I do feel it as the gap is closing. The teeth on the side are kind of spacing out, but I know that it's all going to just come together at the end. So, but it's kind of weird feeling like the teeth on the side, now I have like some space in between, and it's kind of like weird feeling, but I know that the teeth just have to shift like that, in order to close the gap. Still no pain at all. I have not experienced any pain while wearing these aligners. Sorry, I have not experienced any pain wearing these aligners at all. I will say, when you first change them out, it is really tight, like really, really tight, to where it is uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt. It's just tight. And so, and then taking them out can be a pain because it's just so tight. But they do give you a thing that you could use to help take it out. After about a couple of days, I don't even feel any tightness at all. It's just like pop them in, pop them out when you need to eat. Only keep them in to drink water. Eating anything else, you have to take them out. So that's the only time I take them out, is to eat, or if I'm drinking anything other than water. Other than that, I sleep in them. I have them on all the time. So yeah. So the teeth whitening, if you watch my unboxing video, you'll see that it came with a LED teeth whitening kit. It also came with the LED light, and it came with 3 of the whitening gel pens. And so I'm gonna start that in about 3 weeks. I'm gonna start that after I get back from Cali, Columbia, and I'll tell y'all why I'm going to Cali, Columbia in a minute. But yeah, so I'll finish that. I mean, I'll start that process in a couple of weeks. I would say probably like the end of June. I'll start using the teeth whitening. And so I wanted to do it at the end so that by August, my birthday, I can have like pearly white teeth, you know? So that's why I chose to just do it at the end, so it could just be freshly whitened for my birthday. Okay, so that's it with the Smile Direct Club. If there's anything that I have not mentioned or forgot to mention, or if you have any questions about, please, please, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure that I answer your question. Okay, so now let's talk about why I'm going to Cali, Columbia. Okay, so I am really, really, really excited to let y'all know that I will be having plastic surgery in Cali, Columbia. Probably by the time that you watch this video, I'll already been had surgery. You know, I'll probably already been had surgery by the time this video goes up. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I will be having surgery, plastic surgery. I wanted to let y'all know because this is a beauty channel. This is my channel. And this is also, I like to call this a level up channel. So, you know, I'm leveling up my looks, and that includes plastic surgery. So what I'm getting done is a breast lift with implants, liposuction, and a BBL, which is also a Brazilian butt lift. I am having surgery with a Dr.Jacome. She is a licensed plastic and reconstructive surgeon in Cali, Columbia. I've done my research on her. She is awesome. Her results are good. Now, I will tell you that if the results aren't, because sometimes when people think you're going out of the country for surgery, and you're getting a BBL, they automatically think that you're going to look like, you know, small waist, huge butt, whatever. And that is actually not the look that I'm going for. I'm looking for a very natural look. You know, I just want to look nice and fit. I want my breasts to sit up nice. And so that's just the look I'm going for. I'm not looking to look like a video vixen or anything like that. Of course, I'll probably look like a vixen anyway because, you know, I feel like I already have a nice foundation. And so it's just going to add to it. But it's not going to be over the top is basically what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so this is not my first time going out of the country. I went out of the country before to Cali, Columbia in 2015. I had a tummy tuck there. My doctor was Dr. Valascoe. He also did a Brazilian butt lift too, but I'll go ahead and be honest, the fat didn't take, and so to me, I feel like I still have the same size butt that I had to begin with. But he did a really, really good job on my tummy tuck. So yeah, Dr. Velascoe. All these doctors are on Instagram. So if you're interested in the doctor, then I'll leave their Instagram below so that you can check them out. So I'll be back. I really want to share my journey from start to finish. So I'll be doing a packing video of what I packed to go for what I need for surgery, and I'll also do another video about the vitamins supplements that I take to increase my hemo. Hemo is also a short for hemoglobin, and that is basically the iron in your blood, and it's good to have a hemoglobin of 12 when you're getting surgery. That's just to make sure that you have the right results, you know, the desired results. So, and that you don't get sick or need a blood transfusion or anything. But I'll go over all of that in another video for those of you who are not familiar with what hemo is. And then I'll just do another, just basically a vlog on my journey and me over there in Cali, what my results look like. I'm gonna share all of that with you for those of you who are interested, and just if you are interested in having surgery, plastic surgery, whether it's in the United States or overseas. I just want to show you my perspective of what I'm experiencing if you are interested. So I can't wait for that. And so that's it, guys. I will see you on the next video. Like I say, if you have any questions or comments about anything that I discussed in the video, please make sure to leave it in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on another video. Bye, guys.